Home detention in Indiana. What is home detention? Well, home detention is a form of incarceration. So there's jail, there's work release, and there's home detention. Home detention, very, very easy. If you're not at work, you're at home. Your home is your jail. I don't know if you've seen some movies, most recently Ant-Man, where the character is on home detention. He can't even go to work. That's not how home detention works in Indiana. In Indiana, you're either at work or you're at home. And you're stuck within the four walls of your home. If you want to go outside and mow your grass, you got to get permission. If you want to go into the garage and pick some meat out of the freezer, well, you got to get permission because you're within the four walls of your home. And if you leave the four walls of your home, there's going to be an alert, and your community corrections representative is going to alert the court that you were basically not following the rules of home detention. And if you're not following the rules of home detention, all sorts of bad things can happen. The easiest of is, hey, they file a violation. The worst case scenario, they file some sort of escape charge. That's a felony. Bad news. So while home detention isn't fun, while it isn't glamorous, it does allow people to live at their home and also to continue to work. Home detention does cost money. Different counties assess fees for home detention in different ways. Marion County, where Indianapolis is, there's a certain daily rate depending on your income and sliding scale. Other counties do a percentage of income. Home detention, again, not fun, but if you're trying to have the minimal impact on you and your family's life, well, it's actually a great deal. Obviously, it's not fun, but it's better than incarceration, and then it's 100% better than work release. And at least with home detention, you're able to be at home with your family, and you're able to have the minimal type intrusiveness on your life. It's a big deal for a lot of clients. Some crimes carry mandatory minimum penalties. You have to go to jail for a certain number of days, or a certain number of years, or a certain number of months. Home detention is an opportunity for a person to show the judge and even the prosecutor, hey, I'm not someone that belongs in jail. You can let me be at home. That'll be my jail. And if I mess up, well, I understand worse things await me. So again, if you are serving a home detention sentence, if you're considering serving a home detention sentence, or if that's an option for you, just understand it's not fun and games. You are specifically only allowed in the four walls of your home unless you're traveling to or from work. And it's very serious. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.